Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the keyboard and input method in your Oppo A16. To do this operation, go to the settings and search for additional settings here. Now you have a keyboard and input method, and there is much more settings here. So firstly, current keyboard is our Gboard. We don't have other keyboard, but if you install some other, you can tap it to enable it and choose some other keyboard if you wish. Now our enable keyboard, as you see, have much more settings for our Google voice typing. There is be automatically. If you not, you can choose the language which you want. There you have management your keyboards, but as I said, you have to install some other keyboard. In the case you can install some other keyboard and you want to tune back to your Google keyboard, so there is BB case how to do it. There is auto fill service with the Google or not, and personal directory you can add the word which you wish, and pointer speed you can add how fast it can be or how slow it can be. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!